Bug film is the temporary film that protects your vehicle from bug stains, minor stone chips, and tar, which is applied on the bumper, lights, and bottom parts of your car. Shake the bottle well and spray the product on the surface. Spread the product with applicator foam on the surface evenly. It only takes about 10 minutes to apply all of the bottom parts. Do not apply on glass parts, which may obstruct your vision. The product dries in only 5 minutes. Temporary film occurs and protects your car from stone chips, sand, and tar. Bug stains, which occur on long trips, are removed with just a slight wash. NASIOL. Love and protect the original.